Hi, I'm Moshe Katz and welcome to Spiritual Architecture. Let's begin with a simple idea. What if architecture could go beyond function, beyond aesthetics, beyond space planning and beautiful forms? What if it could connect us to ourselves, to each other, to the environment, and even to the infinite? This course is about a different approach to architecture, one that doesn't ask, what should this space do? But instead, what can this space awaken in us? Spiritual architecture is not religious architecture. It's not tying to temples, churches, and specific tradition. It's a spatial way of thinking that brings meaning and connection into the heart of the design. In today's world, architecture is becoming more and more focused on efficiency and performance, but in doing so, we often forget the emotional and spiritual dimension of space. The invisible layers that affect how we feel, reflect, or even remember who we are. This course invites you to return to that layer, to explore the architecture of presence, of silence, of light, of unity, the kind that doesn't impress through scale, but humbles you through intention. Together, we'll explore how architecture can become a source for connection, not just to people, but with nature, with the place, with something larger than ourselves, something infinite. We'll walk through key concepts like synchronicity, harmony, and unity, not just as theories, but spatial principles. You'll discover how different structures and materials can be used to awaken the sacred and the everyday. Each lesson is both philosophical and practical. You'll sketch, reflect, design. You'll be challenged to go beyond function and ask, what is this space trying to say? What is it trying to become? We'll study how spaces like homes, shrines, and tents carry meaning and how to build projects that feel deeply personal, emotional, and connected to something larger. And finally, we'll talk about what it means to be spiritual architect, someone who sees space not as a finished product, but as a journey. This course is for architects, students, designers, and creatives of all kinds who are searching for more meaning in their work. You don't need to believe in anything except the power of space to move people. If you've ever felt that architecture could be more than what it's become, if you've sensed that what's missing is not a new technique but a deeper connection, then this course is for you. So open up your mind and sketchbooks, and let's begin.